bwachorire insiye kiama kia ODM bakoragwa no senator we county ya Kitui Enoch Wambua niko batebere na umurai we kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uyore taro ime yense ya UK nigo airobere kwira na iminsi to ya Kenya eriyo gocha Komorera gusako bakiroli asamatanga yo kumutindeka umuske Raila Amolo Odinga.
We as the leaders of the people that we lead stand in the gap this afternoon to wish the family of our fallen coalition leader God's comfort and strength during this difficult time. To our brothers and sisters in the ODM party, we say pole. This is a big loss, not just to the party ODM, but also to the leadership of our country. We condole with all Kenyans from all walks of life for this huge loss and pray for peace and stability in our country as we prepare to lay this great leader to rest. In honor of a person that he has worked with for so long and fought so many battles together, His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka has cancelled his scheduled visits in London, and as we speak now, he is on the way to the airport to pick a flight back home to join Kenyans in giving Raila Amolo Odinga a befitting send-off.
We say, Baba Raila, rest in peace, in eternal peace, and you will forever be remembered by your good deeds that you did. The reason why we have freedom of speech today is you, Baba. The reason why we have devolution today is you, Baba. I hope devolution will be sustained and the goals that you wanted to see, Baba, will be achieved.